back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my last bounce back recreation and tutorial. Like I said in the last few videos, I am very excited that these are now over. It took me a long time to get through them all because there were that many looks served in that video and also the vertical video. So today's is Jade's vertical look. This one I had the most challenge with because her actual bikini top is sold out on Shop Easy Tiger, so I had to just do sequins, so sorry about it. And you know, this hair is a mess, but it's close and it's a recreation and it's kind of cute, like legit, like this hair is dead set falling out of my head as we speak, but it's cute and it, you know, it literally just fell out of my hair. So looks were served. So if you want to find out how I created this look, and it's the last one, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I was just filming the entire first step of this video and didn't press record, or pressed it and didn't work. Anyway, so I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette and a Morphe M513 brush and take the Supreme shade here, which is this soft salmon tangerine color, and I'm popping it right here. As you can see, I've already done it, but I'm putting it right here where just above where a transition shade would go, and just covering my brow bone with that. Now with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Unicorn Tribe, and I'm going to follow my natural eye line and create a sort of purple shadow line. It doesn't matter that if it goes down too far because we are going to cut the crease properly, but I'm just laying down the shadow. I'm now just going to go back in with that Supreme shade, just softening it. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to take this P. Louise makeup base. This is in the shade Rumor 0.5, which is a really light shade. I used it yesterday for my Leanne look, and I was very stark white on the top of my eyebrow, so didn't do that today. We're going to take this Morphe brush, this same Morphe M124 brush, and that P. Louise makeup base, and I'm going to apply this to my lid, blink really hard, and that'll show us where I'm going to actually cut the crease. Now I can see that Jade's lid has been brought out to her inner corner, so we're going to mimic that as well. That brush for this. It's good for packing glitter, that brush, but not for this. So I'm just taking this BH Cosmetics lip brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my brand new Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I'm just taking a flat packer brush from Morphe, an M166, and the shade Lin here, just because this is a much lighter shade of primer. You can also use concealer. So I'm just going to pat this on just to set it, because the actual shadow I'm going to put on isn't the exact color that Jade has on, so I just don't want it to show up so vibrant. Me not wanting something to show up so vibrant. Who am I? Okay, so now I'm going in with shade Dog Mum on that same brush. Okay, so that shadow didn't do what I thought it was going to do. So I'm going to take a darker color. I'm gonna go in with Girl, which is this bronze. Tap off some, and then lightly, like I'm coloring it in, just run it. So back into the Alyssa Edwards palette, there's a shade in here called Believe, which is this neon purple shade. And I'm just gonna take a pencil brush from Morphe, an M431, tapping off, and I'm running this where this pink shadow, what's that one called? Unicorn Tribe, and our cut crease meet. And then lightly going over with that Unicorn Tribe shade to blend together. So now we're going to put on some winged liner, LMX. Woo! Sorry. Okay, so now we're just going to throw on some mascara. Okay, so now we are going to go in with some kohl pencil on our tight lines so that when we put our fake lashes on, they blend nicely. And then for lashes, we're going to do Dodo Lashes D313 lashes. Pretty sure Jade's just wearing her natural lashes with a few individuals poked in there. But you guys know me, that ain't my style, so we're going to throw on these lashes to hopefully mimic that or glam it up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to start on our face. Of course, MAC Studio Fix Fluid will be going right on this face right about now. Okay, so now we're going to do some Magic Star Concealer from Jeffree Star in shade C7. Okay, so now that's all on, so some Huda powder in shade Pound Cake will go on the face right now. Look at this. Woo! Okay, just that same spun. Put it everywhere. We just put that Magic Star Concealer, and then we'll go in with some powder for the rest of the face. Jade's lower lash line is a little bit purple, so we're gonna go in and go with that same pencil brush we used before with that purple, and we're gonna mix Unicorn Tribe and Believe together. I'm just gonna take this tiny Morphe M456 brush and just this white shade just to lighten up this brow bone. This is called Headliner. Throw on some lower lash mascara if I can find it on my table. So here it is. Okay, for bronzer we're going to go in with my Morphe 8L palette. Bronze up. Okay, so we're just going to bake again with some Huda powder. I feel like because this look is so drag, I'm doing every step in makeup. And then just taking a stamper brush, baking the sides of my nose. While we wait for that to cook, we're going to go with our Turn Up the Base palette and a Morphe JH04 brush and Sweetest Devotion blush and Tick Tick Bloom mixed together. I'm going to pop a little bit on the forehead too, above the brow, a bit on the tip of the nose. Okay, so we're now ready to dust this off, so we'll just dust it off. You guessed it, Brain Freeze with some Gold Breaker on a Morphe M501 brush. Like, are you kidding? With a little pencil brush, just take Gold Breaker on the tip of the nose, on the middle. So I'm going to wipe the foundation off my lips. I'm also just going to put a bit of this Gold Breaker shade in here. So I'm going to take LMX lip liner in shade Real Talk, and I'm going to line these lips. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I was doing. So I line my lips and now I'm just feathering the pencil out like this. And the reason I'm feathering it out is because Jade's main focus is really her lip gloss. She doesn't really have a lip color on really. So I'm just feathering it out and then I'm just leaving the middle. I'm gonna throw on Perfect Pout Matte Lip from LMX in the middle, like this. Then we're going to put on Legends Only the gloss from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh beach. Okay, so all that's left to do now is spray the face. So here we go. Okay, I'll be right back with the finished look. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are new and you haven't yet subscribed, and turn my post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Regular content is coming soon, guys, so be on the lookout for that. My next video will be literally me going through every single outfit I wore in these recreations and telling you where I got them from, and stuff like that. So that'll be next, and then I'll be back into my regular content. So let me know what regular content you would like to see, because I'll need it. So that is it, guys. I will see you in my next one. Thank you for sticking around while I'm doing these bounce back tutorials, because they weren't really pulling views, but I know a lot of you guys lived for them, so that's why I kept doing them. But yes, regular content coming really soon. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!